there, go through my experience at Halloween Horror Nights. 55-minute wait on this. I don't even know what this is. Check out all these. These are lines and lines of people. Need to be prepared to do. Definitely be prepared to wait. But 45 minutes isn't too bad. But we passed by something that was like 100 minutes long. This is our first time, so I'm really ready to be scared. You have the little fast pass, then this is the way you come in, and you walk all the way down there. So those are the lucky folks. My teacher salary, no, I cannot spend $100 more, $100 to $300 more out of my little teacher salary. We are almost there for real. It's been about 30 minutes, so that's still not too bad.
Should be in their way to go forth with all my spells unuttered.
This is scary. That was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. There were a lot of good jump scares.
There's another ride. I guess, no, never mind. We gotta go the other way.
So we're going into something else? Alright. It's what it looked like, or something. We're going out and coming in, but we're going on something else.
I think. Yeah.
That was fun. That was fun. So we got Yeti Kills, that's 80 minutes. Dueling Dragons, we just got off of, and it was 45, and now it's 75. That's a vampire!
Move!
Where'd he go? Oh, wow. I don't want to die.
I don't either, man. That's why you gotta help me, man.
I don't want to die.
I know you're ducking this through with the news.
I don't want to die.
Help us, please. Help us.
No! Ah! So these are like some hippie vampires and hippie vampire slayers. Alright. We're trying to keep up with the little guy too. Get me little juice and an electric gun. Gonna get one of those flashy cigarette. Use my gold juice. What kind of drink you got? Yum yum.
Universal.
Alright guys, so we are using this to figure out exactly where we're gonna go. And some of the things that we really came for are right here. Exorcist, we did Dueling Dragons, which is that way. We didn't do Yeti. But Stranger Things 4 is that direction, but I think we're gonna go to Exorcist. So now we're in line for Exorcist 4, and it's supposed to be a 60-minute wait. So what time is it?
9:49.
All right, so it's 9:49, so we'll see how long it really takes us. Man, this looks horrible, but it is 10:20, and we're getting closer to the front. Ew, that looks horrible. It's 10:20, but we're getting closer to the front. We're almost there. I think we started at 9:49, and it was like an hour long, 55 minutes. I mean, 55, 60 minutes, 60-minute wait. So I guess we're making good time. We'll see when we get up here. Y'all, that was so scary. I like screamed every
Kino got scared by the car at the last second.
I screamed like the whole time. I screamed the whole entire time, like every few seconds. I was screaming.
Scary.
All the jump scares, like every corner is like all type of possessed little girls just and demons just hopping out at you. Like my heart racing so fast. Alright, so the lines and the wait times are outrageous, of course, because it is opening weekend after all. So we have decided that we're gonna ride some rides, whatever rides are open while we're over here, because those waits aren't too bad. Like we just rode Transformers and it was 5 minutes. So far, a couple things you need to know about Halloween Horror Nights. Number one, bring some patience, be prepared to wait. Number two, get you something good to drink in a little flashy cup. And number three, don't drink too much because then you're gonna be standing in long lines for the bathroom, which is what I've already done. So we figured, let's ride. So we're riding MIB Alien Attack. 15-minute wait. So I haven't ridden this in a very long time. So I'm sure that it has changed at least a little bit since the last time that I did. I had an awesome time with my boys at Universal Halloween Horror Nights 2023. Thanks for watching. We'll be back. Bye.